Do you want to be able to attack more effectively with your backhand like that? Well, when attacking with the backhand, most people, what they do is they take the paddle way back here and try to get their speed like this. The problem is, if the ball comes back quick to you, you don't have enough time and you're going to be behind the ball. Instead, what you want to do is keep everything way out in front of you and use your body. I actually use both arms going like this to get my speed and keep my balance. You can also just use one hand, keep the left hand up here in front though, and then get this motion. Use your whole shoulder, hopefully your legs, and a little bit of your body. This is how you get speed, not just with individual parts like the wrist or the elbow or the shoulder. Try to use that whole body. My name's Daniel Moore, professional pickleball instructor and multi-time national champion. I want to invite you to watch our free training video where we explain the 5 most common mistakes in pickleball and how to overcome them so that you can have more fun and be a more competitive pickleball player. All you have to do is click the link below and it'll take you right there. Hope to see you there.